Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to do text classification using MediaPipe in native iOS application. So first of all I will show you the output. So here is the output. So I have some text. I have hard coded the text in my code, which I will show you in a bit. I have one button called click me. Once I click on the button, it is able to determine the sentiment of the text, whether it is positive, negative or neutral. So yeah, that's what this is. So first you will have to go to this source code over here, go to the overview section, and here you will have to download this model. You can either use this or this depending on what your use case is. Once you download this, you will have to create iOS project using Xcode, open your terminal, cd to your iOS project, create a pod file using pod space in it. Then once the pod file is created, you will have to open that pod file and you will have to add this dependency. Again, make sure you close down the Xcode. Again, go to your terminal, cd to your iOS directory, and then run pod space install. So it will install all the dependency. Unfortunately, at the time of this recording, Swift package manager is not supported. Next, you will have to drag and drop your TF Lite model, whichever you want to use, and make sure target membership is checked for both. Next, inside view controller, here I have imported MediaPipe task text. I have created one button as well as one label. Then I have created a model path and I have passed our TF Lite model. Then I have created text classifier options, and here I have created text classifier. Then I have added view.add subview button as well as label. Then I have set our model path by getting this, okay, and as well as our score threshold, and then initialized our text classifier, then some NS layout constraints for our button as well as our label, and added one click listener to our button. And here I have hard coded the text, so you can change it whatever you feel like. Then I'm just calling classify on our particular text, and once you get the result, I'm just getting the classification results classification, and if that is not equal to empty, I'm getting the categories, and if categories is not equal to empty, I'm just getting the category name and displaying it inside our label. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.